Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch till the end because I'll be picking one card from the oracle guidance that will be a general guidance, and that may answer your questions or doubts or any confusions you have today, guys. Aquarius, so these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, and I will be picking one card from this love message at last, guys, after we finish the reading. So this is your angel guidance card. I will keep it here. We will see what it is after we finish with the reading, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies. We have Knight of Wands, Hermit, and Page of Cups. So Aquarius, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are in the verge of making some important decisions. You need to make some choices, let it be in work or let it be in your relationship, and you are thinking about that. You want clarity, so you are thinking, you are waiting for the right time, and maybe you are someone who has a lot of experience and who has a lot of knowledge in anything. So you want to think and decide properly for yourself today, guys. And maybe there are some circumstances pressing you, something important you have to decide, but you don't want to make any rash decisions. So you are just waiting for the right choice or the right time, maybe today in your situation, guys, Aquarius. And maybe the reason, maybe you are deciding, maybe you have an offer or opportunity coming to you, work opportunity, maybe to move to a different place with a better job, but you are thinking whether you want to move there or not. So maybe for some of you, that may be the decision you are making, or it may be your person's energy. Maybe they are deciding on certain things. They are they are in confusion whether to go there, take up the new job, move to a different place, or be here with you. So there is something taking you to a different location. Maybe there may be you are traveling for work, or you are going for some reasons. You are moving away from the place you are right now. So some kind of move is what I see here. And also in your situation, guys, there is something coming up. Maybe it may be some kind of a message or a news. Maybe you would have expected some sort of a news in your work situation, maybe regarding some projects or assignments, or it may be something to do in your relationship. Maybe this person is telling you something important after a long time, or they want to tell you something important, and it may be a happy news, guys. For most of you, I see something happy coming in your situation, Aquarius. And this person is they are sending it through email or a letter, or it can even be a simple message. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Hierophant. So with this card, it may mean that you are someone who has some deep values, ideals, or beliefs, and this person also may have that. Maybe for some of you, you feel very much connected to this person because you both have common beliefs or ideologies, something matching, and you both have a great compatibility, and this relationship may work towards marriage, guys, for y'all, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Queen of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your work situation, guys, you are working hard, making a lot of efforts, but still there are people quite jealous of you, or there are things that are beyond your control, some kind of troubles you may be seeing in your work situation. The reasons may be lack of clarity, or people working against you, or they are not responsible enough like you. That may be the reason. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your angel guidance. We have this card here. So this is a gentle guidance, guys, and it is an angel card, Archangel Ragul. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe today you feel that you are not treated properly by someone, or you feel really sad and stressed because this person is not respecting your emotions or feelings, and you feel let down. But this angel stands for fairness and harmony in our life. So we can pray to this angel, or the guidance is there today for you to resolve all those situations, or act as a remedy in our situation where it brings upon harmony and balance in our life. And maybe this may be your energy towards this person. You may feel that they are not treating you properly, or they may feel that you are not treating them properly, but today you will get the clarity, the reason for this behavior, and how to resolve this problem, guys, Aquarius, in your situation. So that is what I see with this card, guys, and that is the angel guidance for you all today, Aquarius. So let's see what is your love message for the day. So this may be what your person feels about you or about this love. So it says, you can make me better when I am feeling down. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So you are their greatest inspiration, Aquarius. So that is what this card means, and they feel greatly about you and they adore you. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Aquarius, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.